As much as we like to think that statistics is an exact science, in fact, there's a lot of room for uncertainty. In this movie, I want to go over some of the limits of hypothesis testing to give you some cautions about your data and your analysis. The first is that even if your analysis meets the 95% standard that most analysts use, you will still be wrong 1 out of 20 times. And if you've ever performed any type of analysis or even flipped a coin and gotten 4 or 5 tails in a row, then you know how likely it is that events can happen 1 out of 16, 1 out of 20, or even 1 out of 100 times. Also, you might run into errors in data collection or analysis that can skew your results. Some errors in data collection are not randomizing your samples or using old data. So make sure that your data is collected properly and that it isn't too old and that circumstances haven't changed to make the analysis invalid. And also remember that correlation is not causation. Just because two things happen together doesn't mean that one caused the other. That said, correlation does tell you where to start looking. If two things happen together and it's plausible that there is a way that one could have caused the other, then that's a great place to start looking. As always, this is where your intuition and knowledge of the business will help out a lot.